Hello, and welcome to By Kids to Kids, a company created to enhance the learning experience in the classroom. We're here to present Creating Together. It is a simple yet effective tool that requires no complex software or training, nor high-tech know-how. It is also flexible, allowing teachers to implement it at their own pace, no matter the size of the classroom, age, or background of the students. So, what is Creating Together? Creating Together is based on storytelling and hands-on learning. Students create stories based on subjects they have learned, like math, geography, science, or on current and relevant topics like friendship, inclusion, or bullying, or simply stories from their imagination. We then bring these stories to life through animated films. While the students together create their story, the teacher acts as a mentor, empowering the students who are at the center of this learning journey. Having created a story, students will then illustrate it with their own drawings, and the teacher will take pictures of their artwork on a mobile phone. They will then narrate the story, recording it also using their phone. Once the story, the drawings, and narration are completed, the teacher will send it all to By Kids to Kids through our user-friendly platform. By Kids to Kids will then produce an animated film with all these elements, and their stories will come to life using the language that the kids most understand and identify themselves with, their own language. The animations will become part of EncycloKids, an online library of animated stories created by students of different grade levels on a variety of subjects and topics. These films will inspire and teach other students around the world. In addition to these animations, the material shared by the teacher is transformed into books, which will be available in PDF for printing on our platform. While creating together, the students will be exercising cognitive and executive functions and developing skills for the future, so important in and outside the classroom. Creating Together, empowering and involving students in memorable learning journeys.